Hey, cheeky monsters! I've been busy conducting my very own super scientific volcano experiment, along with those cheeky little monsters, of course. If you want to find out how we did it, then keep on watching.
Cheeky monsters, na 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 na, we're all cheeky monsters.
And then finally, just a little bit of vinegar and... Whoa! Look at that! Drago, are you seeing this? Look how cool that is! Hey! Drago, look how cool this is. What do you think? Drago? Oh! It's you, cheeky monsters! Hello! I was looking for Drago. I don't suppose you know where she went, do you? You see, we've been working on our very own super scientific experiment today using baking soda and vinegar. Did you see it? We mix the two together and then there's this big explosion of foam everywhere. It's like one of those big mountain thingies. You know what I mean? The big tall mountains, it's all the red stuff coming out of it. Oh, what's it called? Oh, you know what I mean. Spike will know. He knows everything there is to know about the outdoors. Spike, what's it called again? Oh yeah, a volcano! I remember now. It erupted like a volcano. Hey, cheeky monsters, that's given me a brilliant idea. Why don't I show you how to do the experiment too? But this time, we'll do it inside our very own volcano. This is so exciting. So the first thing we need is a volcano. That might be a slight problem, unless we make our own. And I know just a cheeky monster to help us with that. Oh, Glitter! Violet! Oh, there you are, you cheeky monsters. Now, we're making our own volcano, and we need some supplies. Glitter, I'm putting you in charge of the paint. And Violet, I need you to find tape and paper. We all got it? Okay, thank you so much. They've gone already. Those cheeky monsters. Thanks to Glitter and Violet, we now have everything we need to make our scientific volcano. Now, the first thing we need to do is create a base. And for that, we need a cardboard box. We'll cut the top off the cardboard box, make sure you ask a grown-up's help for that bit, and you'll have something that looks a little bit like this. Now, as you can see, I've covered my box in green tape to make sure it's nice and secure and waterproof. Kind of looks a little bit like grass, doesn't it? It's a nice grass base for our volcano to sit in. Now, if we think back to the earlier experiment, we need a plastic bottle. So once we have that, we'll stick a plastic bottle right in the middle with some more tape. And that will look like this one here. See? Nice and secure. Doesn't quite look like a volcano yet though, does it? If only I had something to build my volcano shape around the bottle. Hey! Who threw this? I bet it was one of those cheeky monsters. But you know, this could come in quite handy for building my volcano shape. Oh, if only I had more paper. Hey! Cut it out! Now it's time to make our structure from these balls of recycled paper and tape. But this could take a while, so we might need cheeky monster Rocky to speed things along a little. Rocky, let's add some super speed! my structure is complete. And it's looking pretty good too. Not quite like a volcano yet, but we can fix that. All we need is some purple tissue paper. Oh, purple, just like violet. And some watery glue that I made earlier. Now the first thing we need to do is dip our tissue paper into the glue. Get it nice and wet, but make sure we're extra careful and get off that excess water. Then comes my favourite part. We get to be cheeky monster messy and just slap it on just like that. This again may take a while, so I think we'll have to speed it up again. Rocky, you know what to do. Let's have some more super speed. This is looking great! Now all we have to do is wait for it to dry. This might take a while though, so I'm gonna go head to bed and check it again in the morning. Night night, cheeky monsters! Oh, off to bed. I'll be right back. Sorry about that, everyone. Yeah, I guess we should check if our volcano's dry. And there's only one way to do that. A cheeky knock. Oh, perfect! Solid as a rock. Get it? Solid as a rock? Because volcanoes are made out of rocks? I cracked myself up. Cracks! Now the last thing we need to do is add paint. And you know what that means? It's time to get cheeky monster messy! Now I have my paint right here. So all we're gonna do is go around and paint our volcano. Rocky, are you ready? Let's speed things up! And there you have it. Our volcano's complete. And look, I've even added some lava and used blue card to create a nice sky backdrop. What do you think, cheeky monsters? Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it too. Now all that's left to do is to perform our science experiment. Now for this experiment, you will need vinegar, red food colouring for the lava, baking soda, a funnel, and just something to mix your vinegar with. You can try this experiment at home too. And remember, every super scientist needs an assistant, so always ask a grown-up if you need any help. Now the first thing we need to do is pour in our baking soda. So we'll get our funnel, pop it into the top of our volcano, and then pour in that baking soda. There we go. Once it's filled up, you give it a little glitter wiggle. Help it all come out. And there we go. Next, we want to create our lava. So we're going to take our red food colouring and start adding it to our vinegar. Give it a quick little mix round. Oh, look at that. So exciting. And then finally, we are ready to pour it into our volcano. Should we do a little countdown? Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go! Oh, wow, look at that! Cheeky monsters, can you hear that? Oh no, I think it's going to explode! Hide! Is it safe to come out? Phew! That was a close one. I really enjoyed that experiment. Be sure to join us again for some more cheeky science. And remember, everyone has a cheeky monster. Which one are you? Until next time, cheeky monsters, bye!
We're all cheeky monsters.
And if you want to join in with more cheeky monster creations after this video, why not subscribe to our My Cheeky Monsters channel?